be given a maximum of 1 hour to prepare all the dishes, including preparations, actual procedures, plating, and assembling at the judging table. The best of luck to all our competitors. For everybody's information, here is our cooking competition guidelines. We will only allow one entry per participating barangay, and each entry shall have one team composed of 3 people. Each team has to be able to fill out the official registration form and the step-by-step recipe dish. Participants must be in smart casual attire, though they will be allowed while cooking. All meat or ingredients that needed boiling must be brought to the competition pre-boiled. This year, all participating groups may compete for these categories: vegetarian, neither meat nor meat byproducts; soup, Korean or Bayan Lula, and dessert to make the dish they prepare. All the ingredients to execute the entries will be provided by the only edible ingredients will be allowed, and a subsidy of 2,000 pesos will be provided for each team by the organizer. Basic kitchenware and electric stove ranges shall be provided. Specifics of the equipment shall be given to all the participating teams once available. Frying pans, cookwares, cooking utensils, plates, and the like will be provided by the competing teams. Each team will be given a maximum of 1 hour to prepare their dish. No coaching will be allowed during the actual competition. No professional chef or cook shall be allowed to join the participating team for the actual competition. Each team should submit 5 copies of their recipes before the competition, and the display table for finished work will be provided by the organizers. This year's champ, or this year's cooking champion, will be guided by our criteria for judging. Overall impact and plating 30%, taste 30%, plating and visual appeal 50%, technique use 50%, hygiene and sanitation 10%, for a total of 100%. Our second runner-up will receive 10,000 pesos plus trophy. First runner-up will receive 50,000 pesos plus trophy. And the champion will receive 20,000 pesos plus a trophy. How about a big hand for Villar's people, please? Five minutes have passed, and I am sure na lahat ng mga dishes na piniprepare ng ating mga competitors ay masarap. Ngayon pa lang po ay amoy na natin. Napakabango po ng mga piniprepare ng ating mga competitors. Also, our judges are roaming around checking kung nasusunod pa ng ating mga competitors ang ating guidelines.
Medyo mabagal yung kanila na ginagawa dahil hindi na-prepare yung mga kinakailangan gamit para sa pagluluto. Kasi dito hindi lamang sa pasarapan ng pagluluto, kundi sa mabilisan sa pagluluto.
Sino sa ating mga participants from District 1 and District 2 ang makakapag-prepare ng pinakamasarap na supo, pinakamasarap na bayan at pinaka-delicious dessert?
Sorry po!
Competitors, please observe our guidelines because our 3 judges are now roaming around to check if you guys are following the guidelines set by the organizers. It is now time to visit each and every table. At yan po ay umpisahan natin sa table ng Pulang Lupa Lupa. Good morning po. Ito pong special dish ang pinipipare nyo para sa ating umaga. Wow, I am so excited with your roasted tomato soup. That's very unique, one of a kind. Medyo ngayon lang natin narinig yan. And you will see, ipapasamayan sa pagkasa ng ating mga bulado. Good luck po ng luma una. Then it's time to see with the next barangay. Here is Barangay Elias Aldana. Kung ang barangay po ng Lupa Ulo po ay may roasted tomato soup, ang laman po ang recipe na kakaiba ang ipiprepare sa atin ng barangay Elias Aldana. Wow. Bangus with yogurt, GC, boneless bangus with yogurt sauce. Wow, sounds interesting din. Dish ng bayan na pinipare ng barangay Elias Aldana. Good luck to you girls. Good luck. The next barangay na magpipita ng kanilang dish this morning ay ang barangay Pamplona 3. Wow! Sir, magandang umaga po sa inyo, sir. Ano pong special ang pinipare natin this morning? Creamy garlic buttered salmon. Wow, sounds interesting. And how about for your dessert and soup? Wow, parang ito po ay mga kalabasa with moringa. That's ang palaya. Sorry, malunggay. Moringa is malunggay. Malunggay. Yeah, very interesting na ang inyong pinipare na dish. Good luck to this barangay, ang barangay Pamplona 3.
Yung marami, nasa nakalagay. RJ, interview ka dyan. Sige, hindi ko natatanggalin ito. Asa na yung tissue? Sila. Asa ang tissue na tissue? Sige, mag-ikot ko na. Andun. Nakanin bawang. Bawang? Oo. Sige, ito na. Sige, sige.
Contestants, we only have 44 minutes left. While waiting for the dishes, we would like to thank the founding sponsors. Thank you so much to All Day Supermarket, On Hold, Petrol Azul, Tecnogas Technique, Metro Express, and of course, thank you so much to Villar Foundation. To all our sponsors, thank you so much for being our constant partners in this annual event. Friends, our judges are strict when it comes to preparing your dishes. So please make sure that you guys are following the strict guidelines set by our organizers. Always wear your gloves and face mask. I think they are now ready, and I am now here with Barangay Manuyong Uno. They sound ready to play their soup. Madam, you are very busy preparing your soup. What is something special about your soup? Wow, it's avocado veggie soup with asparagus and broccoli. Wow, that's an interesting dish. Good luck po. Sana yung bigyan natin ng justice. Ang inyong soup, yan po ang Barangay Manuyong Uno.
Gagamitin pa ba? Hindi na po. Ate, pasuyo na rin
I know that all the judges are busy pero i-ambush natin ang isa sa ating mga judge this morning. With me now is our city health nutritionist, Ma'am Reyna Bernaza. Ma'am, alam ko, very strict kayo pagdating sa nutrition at pagdating sa pag-prepare ng mga food. Pero for this morning, for this particular competition, ano po ba ang hinahanap natin para po masabi natin sila ang champion sa ating cooking festival?
Alam ko na dapat nagpunta ka na dito.
Ate.
Kung alam ko may bro, mag-sino sana. Baka hapon ko.
Served or inayos sa kanilang mga lamesa. So, tinitingnan po natin kung naka-individualize na po ang mga ingredients prior to the contest. So, may point po ang naka-ready na ang ingredients ng bawat dish. So, isa po yun. At tinitingnan din po natin yung way ng pagkilos ng ating mga cooks. Nanay cooks and tatay cooks today. Kung maayos po at malinis ang kanilang paggalaw. So, yun po yung tinitingnan natin.
Maraming salamat po, Ma. Our nutritionist from the city of Las Piñas. Maraming salamat, Ma'am Bernaza. And of course, friends, sa lahat ng mga competitors natin this morning, tandaan niyo po ha, napaka-importante po ng sanitation. Ayan, very much important yan. Always wear your gloves, your face mask, and your apron properly. Maraming salamat, Ma. Please continue with your judging. Thank you so much. Cooking competitors, you only have 36 minutes left to prepare your dishes. The best of luck to all of you. Once you're done with your dish, pwede na po natin yung plate at dalhin po sa ating judging table.
Ba't si Maura?